get a photo so you don't have to get another one.
This whole photo booth area.
Let's take my album.
We went down for breakfast and found all these back rooms in the basement. Wish we had cars like this in Canada.
Beer Street.
The street is lined with over 60 bars and beer shops. During the busy season, visitors can drink as much as they want, sometimes going through over 600 kegs in a day.
Like Willy Wonka's factory.
So there's two sections of the museum. This is the first part that we walk into.
Pay full price, and then you gotta follow these crowded rooms of tourist groups.
Founded in 1903 by German and British merchants in Qingdao, they brewed a German-style Pilsner using local Laoshan spring water, winning a gold medal at the 1906 Munich Beer Expo just 3 years later. Japan seized the brewery in World War I, but it was returned back to the Chinese hands in World War II. Under state ownership, it was designated China's official export beer in 1979.
In 1993, Tsingtao beer made its way into the global market.
The company was privatized and merged with other brewing companies, becoming Qingdao Brewing Company Limited. It made history as the first mainland Chinese company to list on the Hong Kong Stock Exchange, followed by Shanghai.
Founded in 1903, so now it's 100 years old.
She put in the wrong number.
In the second part of the museum, we had to actually provide our ID, and we made a mistake and gave the wrong number. And I guess after the security check, this guy wanted to take full advantage of it.
Measuring it.
What?
Guy's got his notepad. Measuring stuff. What's going on?
Sold in over 100 countries, today it's the world's 6th largest brewery, and a major sponsor of global events including the 2008 Beijing Olympics and 2022 Beijing Winter Olympics.
Got some peanuts. Beer. Anyways.
It's like him. There's no alcohol.
Emmy's non-alcoholic.
I'm sober.
That's a fresh. Right from the factory. We gave you 2. Finished that one. Now we're going downstairs to get a second one. No more beer? I have to buy my second beer. Huge. Want a 1,500 ply beer? Oh man. What is this doing here? I mean, there's some kind of relation with Tsingtao. 120 years. It's almost 1 liter. He's so cute.
让我拿着照一张，你要不要？
Here's where you get your second beer. I gotta stand up, and I got 2 now. That's it, that's the end. Fell asleep as soon as he got on the train. He's still holding his phone.